Hello student, I am your physics mentor Nitesh Kumar and you are watching Drona Academy e-learning series. Today I am going to discuss lateral shift. Okay, so like here I am assuming we having a parallel sided refracting glass slab. Okay, so here we having a parallel sided refracting glass slab. This is the A, B, C and D. Okay, and I am drawing here a normal. So a ray light is incident on this parallel sided refracting glass slab. What will happen? This is the glass and this one is the air. Now what will happen? It's a optically denser medium, so light will refract or tilt towards the normal because it's a optically denser medium, and then after what will happen? It will go away from the normal. So light will travel like this. Look at this student. Light have to actually go in this direction, but look at this. This one is shifted. This ray is shifted here by the d distance. This is the lateral shift. This one is the lateral shift. Okay student, so in this lecture I am going to discuss how you will find this lateral shift. Okay, look at this. This angle is I and this angle is here R. Incident angle or angle of refraction. Okay students, I am giving here name. It's a C, D. So here I am writing E. This one is the F. This one is a G and this one is a H. Okay, so actually what we have to find GH or you can say D. Okay, and here the thickness of this glass slab I am assuming it's a T. So in the form of I, R and T I am going to find the lateral shift or this GH. How we will find? Look at this student. Here if this angle is R and this angle is I, it's the opposite angle. So this angle is how much student? This is the I minus R. Is it or not? Okay. So now tell me student, here this is like a perpendicular on this right angle triangle. I am talking about the triangle EGH. So look at this student, triangle EGH in this triangle. In this triangle, if I am asking you what is the value of sine I minus R, what is the value of sine I minus R? What you can write? It's a D divided by EG. Is it or not? Okay, from where this angle is coming? Look at this. This opposite angle. Okay, and if this angle is I, this angle is R, then this angle will be I minus R. Okay student, now tell me here in the triangle EFG. EFG, I am talking about this right angle triangle EFG. In this triangle, student, tell me the cos R equal to what? Cos R equal to what? This one is what student? This is the thickness of this glass slab and it's a T. So what you can write? This one is the T divided by again EG. Okay student, I am assuming, look at this. So here the thickness is given, EG is given. So now put the value of EG. So what you can write here? The EG equal to T divided by cos R. Okay, put the value of EG in this equation. Okay, so if you will put, what you will get here? Sine I minus R is equal to D divided by EG. EG is what student? T divided by cos R. Try to understand. Okay, now what we have to find student? D. We have to find the D here, the lateral shift, and lateral shift D equal to what you can write? from here the d equal to, if you will multiply this one this side, t into sin I minus r divided by cos r. Is it or not, student? Okay, so we got the formula. Generally board is asking question based on this, okay, or in IIT JEE Advanced you will get a question, there you have to use the concept, there also you have to use the different concept, okay, but you have to use this formula there. If you are knowing this formula you can easily solve the question. If you don't know, then also using basic Snell's law you can also solve that type of question, but it's reducing your time, okay, solving time. So now students, I'm going to take an example. Now note down this. So I'm going to take an example. It's a very simple concept, student, and important also, okay. Generally board is asking question based on this concept. So student, what I am taking here in example, here we having a parallel sided refracting glass slab, and I am assuming the thickness of this glass slab is T, and the refractive index, no, I am not going to take the refracting index, wait, to normal I draw, a ray light is incident here with the angle 60 degree I am taking, okay, and here it's falling and this refracted angle is 45 degree, okay student. Then after it will go away from the normal, so ray is passing like this, okay student. Now what you have to find, you have to find the here lateral shift. So lateral shift is what, student? Here this distance, this is the lateral shift d, and we have to find d here in this question, okay. So what you will do, you will use that formula. So if we are using that formula, d equal to t time sin I minus r divided by cos r, okay student. Now tell me how we can, oh, I am assuming t equal to 10 centimeter, okay student. So what you will do, you will put the value of here t is 10 centimeter, okay, 10 centimeter into sin I minus r. So what you can write, the sin I is 60 degree, r is 45, so here it's a 15 degree divided by cos r, and cos r 45, we know that cos here, cos r is cos r 45, so I am writing here cos 45 degree. So d equal to what you will get, student, 10 into sin 15 divided by 1 by root under 2. We all know that the cos 45 is 1 by root 2, okay student. I suppose you all understand, okay. So this is a solution of this question, okay students. Now in next topic I am going to discuss the prism, okay, the refraction through prism, okay student. Now bye, have a good time.